Today I'm going to show you a quick video on unboxing the Nest Hello. This is the wired version. So I'm going to quickly get the shrink wrap off. Maybe. Then there is a tab on this side. I'm gonna pull, and that's everything. So now it should just come right off. And there it is. So what's included with this? We've got the doorbell. Then we've got documentation. There's also a power kit similar to the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. And on this side, we have another box that has, hopefully I can open it. Oh, wrong side. So this is going to have a drill bit, some wire connectors, screws, and has the mounting hardware. And then you can see a little reset switch, clip to reset it, more than likely, I think. And then we have two different kinds of plates that we can use to mount it with, and that's all of it that comes with it. So please watch some of my other videos where I am going to be testing this and comparing it with the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. Thanks for watching.